all these apples in a tub of water, put your hands behind your back, and you try to get them out with your mouth. It's crazy. Sounds fun. Can I try? Sure. Let me show you how to do